Hey friends,
I'm Steve.
and I'm Angela.
And we are
Midlife Cruising.
Welcome to our second channel, Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals. Today we have our good friend Greg's room here. He's been here since the beginning. He's an OG. And he's selling because of his mobility issues, and he had a hard time being away from his family for so long. So let's take a look.
So the room that is available for sale is right here, 6041, and we are super conveniently located to the elevators and the stairwell. So you can't get more close to the forward set of stairwells. You can see 6 is all rooms, and look what you have right on your floor is the main eating area, buffet, the Palms Cafe. It's very convenient. These stairwell and elevators take you straight down to the Neptune Lounge, where you can do all the entertainment and port talks, or if you go up to on the elevator, you're super close to the observatory. So it is very well located. So let's go check out 6041. And remember, this room is for sale by a private owner. And I'm going to take you on that walk now. I'm going to turn here. And boom, we're here. Look how close. So 6041. And there's the opening right there to the elevators and stairs. Can't get any closer than that. So let's check out 6041. So this is an unobstructed ocean view room. It's currently single occupancy, and I'm sure you can work out a deal for double occupancy. I definitely encourage you to reach out to the owner and make an offer. He's already left, so I'm sure you can get an extra fine deal. We will pop the asking price up now, which does beat the current asking price for the same rooms by Villa Vie. So you can get in at a better price, and definitely reach out and make an offer. You never know what the owner will take. So we are on deck 6, unobstructed view. A lot of those on 6 have a lifeboat out on them. We are unobstructed. We're off the coast of Japan right now. What a great unobstructed view. If you do single occupancy, you're welcome to have one of the beds removed, or you can have them pushed together and create just over a queen. Totally up to you. We have ours pushed together in our room with a bed topper, so you can't even tell it's 2 separate beds. It comes with 2 end tables, which, you know, when you're an owner, you can bring in your own furniture, change things up. But this is what it comes with for now. Nice desk area. We have 2 closets. Of course, we have the refrigerator. And if you want to be like everyone else, this will be your bar. You know, we're allowed to bring our own alcohol on board. And I feel like every room we've ever filmed has a bar. There's a phone to reach out to the front desk or to someone else's room. Your air control, I'm going to turn it down just a little. Here's the second closet. 2 racks. I have well over 100 hangers on just my side. I claimed this side in our room. So plenty of space. You'd be surprised how much you can fit. But this is a great room, and our friend Greg just told me all the time how he just missed those grandkids, and it was just a little too much for him. So he had to head home, and he is ready to make a deal right now. So don't wait, don't hesitate, reach out to him and make an offer. He is ready and willing to negotiate. The bathrooms, just like the rest on the ship. This one has the nice little extra mirror. Whoops, there's a few things left in there. I guess you get those. But that's extra storage. Some of the rooms have these and some don't. Ours does too. It's a little mirrored extra medicine cabinet storage. So if you would like to live full-time on the Villa Vie Odyssey, why not reach out to Greg, make him an offer, and come join us and travel the world. The second you purchase, you can jump aboard. And remember, once you are a resident and you are here on the ship, everything's included. Your wine and beer and your Wi-Fi and your laundry, all the things. How amazing. You will have a maintenance fee like the rest of us. That you'll need to ask from Greg. He's been here since the beginning, so he probably has a better rate, especially if it's for single occupancy. I'm guessing double occupancy, you would have to pay the current going monthly rate, but those are questions you will have to reach out to Greg and find out what your maintenance monthly fee would be. But definitely, I encourage you to reach out right away. Don't wait. Come join us. If you've been really thinking about this, but you just weren't sure, this is your chance to buy directly from an owner. It's an easy peasy contract. Fill it out, and you can come join us in an unobstructed 6th floor ocean view room aboard the Villa Vie Odyssey. Come join us. Bye, friends.